Your content is pretty, but it's not selling anything. One of the reasons is you're putting beautiful captions on your videos, but you're not setting them up for search engine optimization success on the platforms you're posting on. If you're creating pre-populated captions in an app like CapCut, but then putting that video on a platform like Instagram, the algorithm isn't going to like it. There is a way around this. One, you could create the video natively in the platform. Two, if you want to create a video in one place and repost it everywhere else, take that video that you created in a platform and run it through an app like Metafo that removes the metadata. Three, you need to upload that video into the platform, add the captions in the native app. Populate the text within the app. If there's already beautifully edited text on the screen, then once you populate this, you can shrink it down, you can hide it under a headline, you can drag it down into that lower right-hand corner, but you can only have search engine optimized content if you are putting metadata in your videos. You do that with headlines and you do that with captions. If you're creating all these things before you post it in the app, then the app is not able to categorize your content and give it to the customers who are literally searching for your solution to their problem. You're welcome.